Hello, and I am Shant Manu, and welcome to पैसों की पाठशाला presented by ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. यहाँ आपको मिलेगी फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री की नॉलेज, वो भी इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से. नो कैलकुलेटर्स, नो स्प्रेडशीट्स, बस थोड़ा बहुत सारा कंपटीशन, बहुत सारा स्किल्स और बहुत सारा फन. तो आज दो के पेयर में तीन टीम फेस करेंगे फाइनेंशियल बेस्ड चैलेंजेस को. तो buckle up as we decode the finance world in the most fun way possible. तो मिलते हैं अपनी पहली टीम से. टीम ए, मनी लॉर्ड्स. I like the energy. Very nice, very nice.
Hey guys, my name is Josh Vora. I'm 26 and I'm a financial consultant.
Hey guys, my name is Rahul Manan. I'm 28. I'm a professional actor. And as we say, in money, we trust.
With skill we conquer, we are the money lord.
इसी के साथ welcome team B, Cash Kings.
Hi, my name is Sonali Singh. I'm 41 years old and I'm a professor.
Hi, my name is Roshan Chaudhary. I'm 56 years old. I'm a media and marketing consultant. We are masters of the market.
Kings of Cash.
And we are the Cash Kings.
Say hello to our last team, Team C, Super Savers.
Hi, my name is Abhishek Vijay. I'm 31 years old. I'm a banking professional.
I'm Saurabh Poddar. I'm 41 and I run an education startup.
Serving today,
Ruling forever.
we are the
Super Savers.
And we have our three teams with us, all of them filled with confidence, and here we go. ऐसा कैसा पैसा. So let's start with पैसों की पाठशाला round 1, which is rapid fire. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Let's go!
So शुरुआत में हर टीम के स्कोर बैंक में होंगे 25,000 points. Every correct answer will add 10,000 points, but a wrong one will give you a loss of 5,000 points by deducting from your score bank, जो आपके बाकी teams के account में चले जाएंगे very conveniently. And remember, you will have 3 seconds to answer each question. So I'll ask 4 questions from each team one by one. और सबसे पहले Team A, let's start with you. Which famous investor is known as the Oracle of Omaha?
Warren Buffett.
Correct answer. But guys, is it?
Sir, it's Warren Buffett.
It's
There is
Warren
no man-
Buffett.
There is no man
Oh,
called Warren
come
Buffett.
on! Potato, tomato, tomato.
Accent. Good trash talk. But please guys, 3 seconds for every question. Take your time. Second question is, what investment approach do smart beta ETFs use to select securities based on metrics like volatility, value, momentum, etc.?
भाई तू फाइनेंस से है यार.
Time's up, guys. Rapid fire, 3 seconds, that's it. Moving on to the second question. According to Morgan Housel, in the psychology of money, which are the 2 factors driving financial outcomes?
Skill and luck.
Skill and luck. Correct answer. Good. And the fourth question for Team A is, what does the MPC led by RBI stands for?
Monetary Policy Committee.
Wow. Guys, breathe. 3 seconds है हमारे पास.
Oh, come on.
Very nice. Good one for Team A, guys. Round of applause. अब हम मूव करते हैं हमारी टीम B की तरफ. And the first question is, what is the full form of TER?
Total expenses ratio.
Expensive. Yeah, expense.
Expenses.
but this is wrong. You are giving them
Expensively wrong.
This is wrong.
No.
Should we give it? Or should we not? No. Total expense ratio.
Ma'am, दो.
So it's wrong, man. Unfortunate. Or yeah, please. Majority wins democracy. Second question is, what is the term used for the interest rate that a bond pays annually?
Coupon rate.
Right answer. Next question. Which smart beta strategy focuses on stocks that are undervalued according to fundamental analysis? Think.
Value.
You think?
Value.
Value it is. Correct answer. And the last one coming your way. Which financial index tracks the performance of the top 30 companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange? Or Nifty?
Easy one.
Correct answer. Move on to Team C. Super Savers. Make some noise, yaar. Come on.
Let's go!
And first question is, who is known as the father of index funds?
John C. Ball. John C. Bergen.
The team is right. Yes. Second question. Yes, but then within 3 seconds, the team member said the right answer. Come on, guys.
Same like expenses.
After 3 seconds. Moving on to the second question. What term is used to describe the excess return of an investment compared to the market benchmark? Alpha.
Alpha. Yes.
यार, are we asking easy questions? क्या बहुत easy questions दे दिए इनके लिए हमने?
This
Not
is
to
not
us.
an easy one. Not
It
to
is
us.
not?
We are the super savers.
Oh, nice. I like the word. Good one, guys. Right answer. Third question is, which is a commonly used measure of inflation?
Consumer price index.
Consumer price index. So right answer. And the last one is,
Thank you.
what is the term that denotes a mutual fund's volatility relative to the market? Beta.
Beta. Yes.
Beta it is. Correct answer there. That's the end of this round. चलो देखते हैं राउंड 1 के बाद किस टीम की इन्वेस्टमेंट्स काम कर रही हैं और किस टीम का कैश फ्लो थोड़ा सा टाइट चल रहा है. So team A has 57,500 points. Team B has 50,000 points. Come on, अभी गेम बाकी है guys. And team C has 57,500 points again. But ये तो था एक वार्म अप और इस वार्म अप के बाद लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द बजर राउंड, जिसमें पूछे गए सवाल के आंसर देने के लिए आपको प्रेस करना होगा वो बजर एंड आंसर करेक्टली. इस राउंड में भी आपको राइट आंसर पे मिलेंगे 10,000 पॉइंट्स एंड माइनस होंगे 5,000 पॉइंट्स ऑन अ रॉन्ग आंसर. टीम बी विद एक्सपीरियंस, आपको पता है कितना बुरा लगता है? इन्हें बता दीजिए प्लीज. ऑल्सो अगर आपने बजर प्रेस करके आंसर नहीं दिया तो हो जाएगा 5,000 पॉइंट्स माइनस, जो बाकी दो टीम्स में डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, इस राउंड के बाद सबसे लो स्कोर वाली टीम हो जाएगी
Eliminate.
One last thing. Guys, hands at the back. First question coming up for all of you. What does the 7 in the 7531 rule of SIP stands for? Option A, 7 months investment horizon. Option B, 7-year investment horizon. Option C, 7% annual return. And option D, 7 steps to financial freedom.
ऐसे उन्होंने ऑप्शन खत्म होने से पहले बजाया.
पहले दबा दिया.
इन्होंने भी बजाया. इन्होंने भी
Let
बजाया.
me be the judge.
हमने नहीं बता.
Team A, press the buzzer and I want the answer from them.
Option B, 7 years horizon.
Yes, right answer for Team A.
Good decision. Good decision of ours.
Moving on to question number 2. What is the maximum maturity period for debt and money market securities in a liquid fund? Option A. I saw that. Option A is 30 days, option B 60 days, option C 75 days and option D 91 days.
This time also we are.
Okay, I think it's Team B. What is your answer?
91 days. Option D.
Third question is, according to SEBI guidelines, what is the minimum percentage of total assets that a large cap fund must invest in large cap stocks? Option A 50%, B 65%, C 80% and D 75%.
This time
first. We are the first.
Again.
We are the first. We are the first.
No, again we are the first.
We are the first.
Unfortunately, आप दोनों थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए थे. उन्होंने सबसे पहले बजर प्रेस किया, लेकिन एक्सक्यूज मी, एक मिनट, मेरी बात खत्म नहीं हुई यार. उनका हाथ जो है यहाँ से ना पहले ही थोड़ा सा ऐसे आ चुका था. Unfortunately, we give it to Team B and your answer भी देना है भैया. Tell me the answer. आपने बजर तो प्रेस कर लिया.
Option C 80%.
80%.
It is 80%, guys. Good one. Question number 4 coming up. Which category is the largest contributor to the hybrid mutual funds assets under management as of February 2025? And the options are A. Aggressive hybrid funds, B. Balanced advantage funds, C. Arbitrage funds and D. Multi-asset allocation fund. Okay, Team C, what is your answer?
Option B.
Which is?
Balance. Advantage. Advantage.
I think time's up. I am so sorry guys, time's up. सिर्फ बजर दबा के गेम जीत जाएंगे ये नहीं है. You have to give the right answer because that is what we are here for.
Question 5.
What is the minimum lock-in period for investments in a retirement fund in India? Option A, 3 years or till retirement age, whichever is earlier. B, 5 years or till retirement age, whichever is earlier. Option C, 7 years or till retirement age, whichever is earlier. And option D, 10 years or till retirement age, whichever is earlier. Okay, I have the answer. मुझे पता है किसने बजर पहले दबाया है, but उससे पहले let's just repeat that. Hey. Come on. And on that note, A.
Option B is 5 years or retirement age, whichever is earlier.
Let's get on. Correct answer. Sixth question is, which rule helps estimate the number of years required to double an investment at a fixed annual rate of return? Option A, rule of 60. Option B, 4% rule. Option C, rule of 72. And option D, 100 minus age rule.
Yes.
Team C.
Rule of 72. You divide 72 with the rate of return and the result is the number of years it will take to double that money.
The right answer with the explanation, guys. Give it up.
Nice.
And I'm sure इस आंसर के बाद जितने लोग इसे देखने वाले हैं सभी लोग इस आंसर के बारे में तो क्लैरिटी बैंग ऑन होगी. Thanks to you for that. तो लेट्स सी आपका स्कोर बैंक क्या कहता है. तो जैसे कि आपने देखा, सरप्राइजिंगली टीम बी कैश किंग्स जो लास्ट राउंड में थोड़ा सा पीछे चल रहे थे अब लीड कर रहे हैं विद 75,000 पॉइंट्स. यानी कि इसका मतलब है टीम मनी लॉर्ड्स या टीम सुपर सेवर्स में से कोई एक टीम एलिमिनेट होने वाली है. तो लेट्स सी कौन सी टीम एलिमिनेट होने वाली है उसके लिए. बट एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट आ गया गेम के अंदर. एंड वो ट्विस्ट क्या है कि आप दोनों ही टीम्स एक सेम लेवल पे हो विद 65,000 पॉइंट्स. So for that we have a tie breaker question. जो टीम पहले बजर दबाकर इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर देगी, they will go to the third round. एंड जो आंसर नहीं दे पाएगी अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज वो इस राउंड 2 से एलिमिनेट हो जाएगी, इस पैसों की पाठशाला शो से आउट हो जाएगी. Here's your question. In the monetary policy statement 2024-2025, RBI retained the repo rate at what percentage? Option A 5.2%. Option B 6.5%. Option C 11%. Option D 7.8%.
Yes.
सुपर सेवर्स ने बजर पहले दबाया है बट अभी तक बैटल खत्म नहीं हुई है. What is the right answer?
Option B 6.5%.
Option B 6.5% is the right answer. Super savers saved themselves at the very last moment and unfortunately money lords at this point are eliminated from the show.
Big round of applause for them.
Thank you very much, Team Lords.
Thank you so much.
Yes, guys.
And now we move on to our next round. At this stage, it's time to simplify mutual funds complicated world but in a fun way. और इस राउंड के बाद जिस टीम का स्कोर होगा हाईएस्ट वो टीम बनेगी इस एपिसोड की बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीम. So let's begin the game. So the first category is going to Team C, Super Savers. आपकी कैटेगरी है Equity Oriented Schemes / Funds. Time starts now.
Large cap funds, mid cap funds, small cap funds,
Multi-cap funds.
sectoral funds, thematical funds, value funds, index funds, ELSS, and
Equity traded funds.
equity traded fund and focus funds. Yes.
Stop. So guys, टीम सी की अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पर 11 नेम्स बताए उन्होंने फॉर अ कैटेगरी. दैट इज अमेजिंग. गुड जॉब. सो टीम बी, अब जो कैटेगरी का नाम मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं आपको उसके अंदर 11 नेम्स या टर्म्स से ज्यादा बोलने होंगे इन ऑर्डर टू विन दिस वन. and earn that 20,000. आपकी category है famous investors and your time starts now.
Buffett Lawrence, John C. Bogle, Benjamin Graham, Ray Polio, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and
Stop! And the winner for this round is Team C Super Savers. 20,000 in their bank. And please buckle up.
yes.
Moving on. Financial ratios and time starts now.
Profit ratio, debt ratio, risk equity ratio,
Roy, return on investment, return on equity, return on equity.
And
Price of book.
एक नाम उन्होंने मेरे टाइम्स अप बोलने के बाद बोला. सो टेक्निकली 7. अगर आपको इस राउंड में जीतना है तो आपको 8 नेम्स लेने होंगे आपकी नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी में. सो बकल अप. सो योर कैटेगरी इज मार्केट इंडाइसेस एंड टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
Nifty 50, S&P 500, Sensex, Nifty IT Index,
Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Nikkei 225, Shanghai
BSE
Composite,
mid caps,
Three.
BSE mid caps.
BSE small cap.
सो इन दिस राउंड टीम सी ने सबसे ज्यादा नेम्स दिए हैं कैटेगरी में. सो यस, दिस राउंड गोज टू टीम सी सुपर सेवर्स एंड 20,000 पॉइंट्स टू. एंड टीम सी आपकी कैटेगरी है फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
Stocks,
Derivatives.
derivatives, mutual funds,
कम ऑन.
REIT, and bonds.
Bonds. Debentures.
And stop.
fixed deposit.
Fixed
Ah,
deposit.
fixed deposit.
Easy one.
That would have been an easy one.
So the category जिसके names आपको बताने हैं 6 से ज्यादा is risks in investment. Time starts now.
Yes.
Market risk,
Political risk,
interest risk,
reinvestment risk,
Clear names.
currency risk.
And stop. It was a close contest. First of all, give it up for both of you all. Yaar. Come on.
thank you, very
It was a very close contest. So Team Cash Kings, आपके स्कोर बैंक में है टोटल 95,000 पॉइंट्स. क्या टीम सुपर सेवर्स आपके स्कोर बैंक में हुआ है टोटल ऑफ 1,15,000 पॉइंट्स, which means आज के एपिसोड के विनर है टीम सुपर सेवर्स, who will take away that beautiful trophy. Congratulations team. Yes. So here we are done with today's episode of पैसों की पाठशाला presented by ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. क्या क्रेजी जर्नी थी आज की गाइस, बट होल्ड, हमारे पास और भी धमाकेदार एपिसोड्स आ रहे हैं with even crazier challenges and right guidance to invest smartly. मिस करोगे तो मेजर फोमो होगा, ट्रस्ट मी. तब तक keep hustling, keep leveling up and stay curious. Take care and keep glowing. Good job. Well played, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you
so
very much.
Thank you. It was fun.
Good job. It was fun.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है. योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें.